This is Ege Promise, and you are welcome to JAMB Prime. Okay, today we are going to be seeing solutions to errors faced while generating JAMB profile code. So, having known JAMB profile code is one of the necessary materials you must have before registering for any UTME examination. So, it's probably the first stuff you need, first stuff that you are going to give to your registration officer in order for your registration to be successful. So there are ways you can generate profile code, which is the test method and UASD method. So okay, the test method, which is sending your NRN, which is NRN space NRN 11 digits to 55019 or 6019. But some candidates are actually facing problems. So if you are among those candidates facing problem, like after sending the NRN. So after sending the message, so you couldn't get your profile code, and things like there's kind of errors that might pops out. So here are some kind of these errors and how to like possible solutions to them. All right, let's see these errors now. Okay, yeah, the common errors you may face or encounter when you request for your JAMB profile code and possible solutions. Okay, just note that in any errors you are actually facing, yeah, you can actually contact, yeah, these errors are probably due to your NIN. Yeah, so how to actually solve it, you can actually contact your NIMC, okay, for error. Then if you want to contact them, okay, or if your NIN could not be verified or something, so you can actually send a mail to them containing your NIN and NIN, then your full name, yeah, to NIMC JAM 2023, nimc.gov.nong. So you can send them a mail. I believe they'll be able to answer you and create solution to that problem. Then there's kind of errors you might face that you can actually like these are just minor errors. So number one error here is no record found on NRN. So if probably you sent after sending your NRN to 55019 and such message actually pops out, so no record found on NRN. So this probably due to students, student will always see this error if your registration with NIMC is recent and such system is not yet fully recognize your name. So that is why I always recommend you to do your NIN registration months before JAM registration begins. So if probably you are facing this error, it might be due to you just registered for NIN and the system haven't really like recognized your name. So that's probably why, or that is one that is probably why you are seeing this error. So if you are actually seeing this error, you can just wait for like some days and retreat. I believe you actually get it with time. Yeah, so the next error you are going to face or candidates are actually facing is invalid character found in the name supplied. So this error is coming from the details NIMC sent to JAM. So the name you sent, okay, the name sent to JAM is found to contain invalid characters, which is not recognized as names in JAM system. So to fix this, wait for a few days or retry this. Okay, this will actually make create time for the NIMC to resolve the error. So if like probably you have a name, so that kind of names JAM might not be able to recognize at the moment. So if that name has been sent to JAM, so there are the kind of errors that it might pops out, but just wait for some days, or you can contact the NIMC like on the first slide that I said how to contact the NIMC. So you can actually do that. I believe they're able to create possible solutions for you. The next one is dates of birth invalid. Okay, this error usually pops out peradventure you have, okay, let me say the student are that is the age is actually less than 16 years of age. Yeah, so you know that NIN of 18 the moment you are 15, and so like what JAM actually, like the rule in JAM is not this period. Like if you probably want to write JAM, though these rules are actually be broken, so the main rule of JAMB is that you must be 16 years above before taking JAMB. But so this error still pops out. So what you just have to do is, like to fix this, you can just wait for a few days and retry, and give time to give the NIMC time to resolve this. But if this does not actually work, you can go to any nearby NIMC center. I believe they will be able to resolve this for you. Then the other problem you might be facing is invalid character found. Okay, this happens when you mistakenly send alphabet or send characters like your comma or any other characters here. Then etc. Okay, your NIN or okay, the thing is that probably you want to send your NIN. I believe most persons actually make mistakes sending other characters, along with their NIN. So this will cause some kind of errors like this. So if you actually see an error like this, which is invalid character found, you can just look closely and see if your NIN is actually correct or you're actually doing anything wrong. Okay, the next thing you need to see is that okay, some persons can see this, which is your NIN passport is not invalid. That is to say, if at the time you're registering for NIN, your passport was not actually captured properly. Okay, the time that you actually went for NIN registration, so they probably they want to capture you. So if that passport wasn't captured properly, so that it will resolve to error like this, then you can encounter such errors. So how to resolve it? You can actually visit any NIMC close office, to resolve this error. Then I believe this is the last one now. Then there's kind of errors you might still face due to it might be due to or if you aren't getting your NIN or you are not getting your profile code, sorry. So it might be due to you don't have like you don't have 15 naira on your account balance. So you can actually check your account balance if your account balance is more than 15 naira, or there are some kind of other messages, or like your phone, you put it on not disturb and different things that might not allow sending messages. So I hope you got value from this post. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you.